So, you need to design a professional web application, and it needs to be done in the least possible time. Today, I'm introducing a web application builder. It's a website out of the box. It's fully customizable with peace of mind security. And last but not least, you can visualize your data. Thank you very much xlinesoft.com for this amazing product. Good day everybody, Corey here from sunny South Africa. I have been an application developer for my entire career. Here on this channel, and I call it PHP Runner Tips and Tricks, I share with you all aspects of creating and developing professional web applications. And as you can probably tell by now, I use, in my opinion, the best web application software available. It's called PHP Runner from xlinesoft in all my tutorials. I now invite you to join me on this wonderful journey where we discover together new and amazing ways to perform seemingly impossible tasks in literally no time. Thank you. See you in the inside.